Hey man, I tried to tell y'all yesterday, bro, that shop drop could happen. We would never know when it's gonna be because Nike has been doing things totally different. But as you guys see on the screen, bro, we got another pair of the Air Jordan 1 Union LAs. This is my second time getting exclusive access for this sneaker. I don't know what's going on, man. Nike is switching up, flipping it up. I don't know what's going on. All I know is I got a pair for retail, which should come in clutch later down the line. We talk about trading up, trading full, or doing something with them joints later down the line. We gotta talk about this shot drop from Nike in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much, bro. Y'all heard that excitement come out a little bit because, dude, I'm super excited, bro. I hit on the Air Jordan 1 Unit LAs. And if you guys do not know, I got exclusive access for that sneaker back when they originally released on the Nike Sneakers app. I was one of those lucky people that got exclusive access. But it was not your traditional exclusive access to, where you got to get them while supplies lasted. It was an exclusive access draw. So like everybody got access to the shoe, was able to go in and enter for sizes and they pick winners. So I took an L the other day. But now you come, about 2 months later or a month and a half later, and we get a exclusive access shot drop. I don't know what to call it. And I checked, went on there, I think it was around 12 or, no, actually it's probably about 2 o'clock, 2 Eastern Standard Time. I don't remember, but I was literally driving on the way to the mall, and I said, hold on, bro, let me check, see if I got access or it was a shot drop. Still don't know if everybody got access, so if you did get access, please let me know down below in the comment section. I don't know if it was a shot drop exclusive access or just certain people got exclusive access. Not too sure, but I want you guys to comment down below to help me out kind of understand how this day went about. Like, I really don't, Nike has been switching up all the way, and it's actually pretty interesting to see from our traditional shop drops. Everything is just totally different, man. But again, I went into the app at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I was like, man, let me check and see if I got them. And I went in, I said, bro, ain't no way your boy the Vintage got exclusive access. And yes, bro, I have yet another pair. You guys see the got them screen. I'm pretty sure them things gonna ship within a couple of days, but bro, it's just so crazy how I went from an L, paid resale. I paid resale for these. If you don't remember, I paid resale, bro. And then I come, 2 months later, then I get exclusive access again for the shoe? Nike, what's going on? I really do not understand that. And I hope you guys are listening to what I'm saying, bro. Literally got exclusive access for the shoe. Took an L around original drop for these on Nike sneakers. And then you fast forward to now, I hit on exclusive access for the same shoe after I pay resale. So I'm like salty and happy at the same time, but it's all good. I definitely think that the resale will hike up a little bit. And when you think about later down the line, we get, undefeated fours. We don't know how that market gonna look, but I got some trade bait and I got some stuff to go, towards some of those more hype sneakers later in the fall and winter time frame. But man, these things is super, super clean. Your boy got a pair from GOAT after I took an L, and now today we got a crazy exclusive access dub. Like, I don't understand it, but hey, I'm all here for it, man. And I can't believe I got this far in today's video and didn't ask y'all, man, who hit on the exclusive access shot drop today? Because I still don't know what it is. I'm only gonna know that once I see you guys' comments. Did everybody get exclusive access, or was it a certain pool of people? And if it was only a certain pool of people, why'd they give it to me again if I already had exclusive access for the same shoe, but they gave me an L? I don't know. So I need you guys' comments. But if you did get a W, or you have a pair in the collection already, man, let me know. And if you took an L today, bro, it is still the perfect time to get them. Because I'm going to show you something real quick. I'm going to go on StockX or go wherever you do want to check, bro. These things are super, super low, which is good, man. We love it, bro. Let's kill off all the bots. Let's kill off all the resellers, upcharging us for these shoes, bro. Like $250, $300 is a reasonable price. It's almost like back in the day, bro. I remember back in the day when some of the most hype shoes and early shoes was only going for like $300. Now, or I would say about a year ago, it was impossible to get certain shoes for under $300. It was just impossible. But you guys to check on StockX right now. Put a screenshot if it don't pop up. But bro, the pairs and the sizes are going for the low ski. So even if you didn't get a pair today, you're still within some good standards, and you know what I'm saying, getting a pair on that resale market, because it ain't that bad. Something else of note for these unit LAs is that the resale or the retail went up to 205 rather than 200, or I actually went up like 210 or something. It went up $5 or $10, and I seen that, I was like, man, I paid $222 altogether. What happened? Because I remember originally I think they did retail for like 200 or 205. I'm not too sure, but I know for sure it did go up in retail, but that is due to the tariffs, that's due to inflation, that's due to pretty much everything, bro. I remember back in the day I was paying for like maybe 160 for a pair of ones. Now they're like 180, bro. And these was 205. Like, bro, what is going on, Nike? I really don't understand it. Again, man, let me know in the comment section if you got exclusive access. And also, somebody hit me on my Instagram, said they slept. They didn't know it was a shock drop. I said, bro, you have to hit the notification bell. So if you guys are watching today's video and you see the aftermath of this, I told y'all in yesterday's video, go watch it. I said it can happen today, it can happen tomorrow, and it literally happened the next day. I was like, it's no way this is really happening. But Nike's been doing stuff crazy, bro. You just never know what's going on. But again, man, sub up, hit the notification bell, shoot a message on any content that we do drop over in the channel. Try to help everybody out. Try to give everybody information, all the, you know what I'm saying, free chicken out there to help you guys out, because hey, I'm here with you guys. I'm buying shoes, trying to get a free tail, just like y'all. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Sub up, hit the notification bell, run them likes up for sure if I helped you out for this exclusive access. So just, you know what I'm saying, show some love. It'll definitely help the channel grow. But again, man, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And all being said, man, your boy The Vintage gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.